Now, we welcome a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. Today's lecture we are going to talk about if clause, the second case of it. So we are going to talk about second conditional when we talk about improbable situations in present. In the improbable situations in present, we use with if clause as the past tense in the first part of it. So we have here the construction with shan. Ayşen goes in 5G machinak shafshinav. If I said to this go, he would have gone. So we have here used the past tense I, then we have used shan, then we have used in the second part of it the present of repetition. So we can conclude that we can use the pronouns in the past tense followed by shan followed by the verb, and we can use the present of repetition plus the verb, the conjugation of present repetition plus the verb. We have here another example. We say shop afshan oli mb batchlet evol haro dot fa ernestivin. If it would be removed for the bridegroom from them, then they will fast. So we used here avshan, the passive voice in past tense, and in the second part we used the future. So we can conclude that we can say a shop plus a pronoun in past tense plus shan plus verb, and second part we use the future. Another example, we say shop I ishtem shin e if na e an haroten in jb baraklitos. If I don't go, it will not come to you the Comforter or the Holy Spirit. So we can say that with first part we used the past tense and second part we used future simple. So we can say that the rule here is shop plus pronouns conjugated in past tense plus htm for negation if we won't use a negation of the if, and the second part we use the future simple tense. We can use also is j with the past. Is j a retain quote in soy ka nai evol maru u shin o. So we can say if you seek me, let those go away, let them go. We first used is j followed by the pronouns in past tense, and the second part of the sentence we used present tense. You can find today's lecture on YouTube, CSA channel, and on the archive.org, and you can find the slides also with the fonts used. Thanks, chatting about routine can Neo. Until seeing you next lesson.